Hi, we can see everyone. So I'm in Los Angeles at the Prosperity Through Real Estate Group, and we're doing our Saturday Rapid Cash Generator Masterclass. So what's the number one thing you've learned?
How to find deals.
How to find deals. It's a kind of nominally important thing, right? What's the number one thing you've learned?
How to find deals.
How to find deals. That's a common theme.
How to negotiate.
How to negotiate. What's been your favorite part of negotiating so far here?
Pricing.
Pricing. How to get the pricing down. Good.
Negotiate. The Flint strategy.
The Flint strategy is a great strategy. Powerful.
Yeah, negotiating was a good one in marketing.
Negotiating and marketing. Very cool.
Flinching, man.
Flinching, you're all about flinching. I'm creating a nation of flinching. It's really cool that way.
Building buyers list.
Building your buyers list has been awesome for you. Fantastic. Let's see. How about the other side of the room? Coming back here, what do you say, girls? What have we learned so far?
Reinvesting in marketing.
Reinvesting in your marketing.
Yes, right,
Yeah?
and getting our flinching or incredulousness down.
Incredulousness. Oh, I like that word. I like that word. What do you fellas learn?
Revamping my past activity of doing all this and getting rejuvenated and doing it again.
Rejuvenation's a good thing. Keeps you moving ahead. What have you learned so far?
Negotiation and to find out what my sellers' pain points are and work with them to
Work
find
with
a
them on their
good,
pain points.
Good contract for both of us.
Yes. Yeah. Get a contract that's fair on both sides. It works that way.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Getting the testimonials so that you can crush your competitors.
Yes. Competition crushing is built into every step of my process. You're noticing that, right?
Very much
Because you
so.
can grow. But doing something, you crush them, getting the testimonials, and getting the testimonials done right. That's what we're learning how to do.
The 6 most important lead types.
6 most important lead types. That was good. Fantastic. What's your favorite of the 6?
Out of state.
Out of state. I love it too.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey,
What's up?
learn about getting the fear out of negotiation. Keeping it simple.
Are you a better negotiator now than you were this morning?
I think I will be.
I think so too.
could. Yeah,
good,
yeah.
good. Get out there and use it.
Negotiation by far the best.
Negotiation's awesome. Fantastic.
Hi Tom, I like your 6 canvas a lot, or
Yeah.
3 and 6.
Yep.
And rent to bartenders.
Rent to bartenders. Maybe not a specific strategy, but just the way it's worked out. Art?
How weak my follow-through's been, and that I need to tighten that ship up.
Oh, we're fixing your follow-up strategy. Yeah, follow-up winds up being super key.
Hi.
Hi.
One of my favorite one was the absentee owners and probates.
Absentee owners and probates. Fantastic.
And how to build a buyer's list through the MLS.
Building buyers list through the MLS. Yeah, so we've covered an enormous amount of things so far, and we're still not done yet. So, with that being said, we're going to give it a thumbs up? Thumbs up. Good. I'll see everyone later. Bye.